So, Amber Heard has only donated $1.3 million out of the $3.5 million that she pledged to the American Civil Liberties Union. And $500,000 of that came from Elon Musk. Just recently, the ACLU's COO and General Counsel testified in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard lawsuit. And they reported that Amber only donated $1.3 million of the $3.5 million that she pledged for because she was such a victim. And she only sent $800,000 of that $1.3 million. The rest of that came from Elon Musk. Nearly half of it came from Elon Musk. And Amber didn't even have the means to spend even half of the amount that she pledged. Even though she was granted this money, she couldn't even bring herself to pledge half of this. Alright, so I just did some real quick math. The amount that Amber Heard actually paid was not even a quarter of what she pledged. The amount that she actually paid only comes out to 22.85% of the amount that she pledged to the American Civil Liberties Union. This is a new low even for Amber. This is, Amber, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, this is a new low even for you. You took money away from people who could have used it. People who needed it. People who needed the support after they've been abused. After they've actually been abused. And you did God knows what with it. And then you had to get your sugar daddy, Elon Musk, to pay for some of what you actually pledged, which was not even half of what you had proposed. Well, if I said that you pledged $3.5 million earlier in the video, that's incorrect. You only pledged $1.3 million of the $3.5 million. That's the correct information right there. I really don't like to sit here and make it seem like I'm bashing someone or I'm being overly aggressive towards someone. I'm not. I don't like to sit here and bash people. Now, that being said, I will be critical of people who deserve it, much like how I'm being critical of Amber, because I believe she deserves it. I mean, tarnishing the image of someone who did not deserve that, and then taking money from them, saying you're going to donate it to a nonprofit organization that would benefit people, and then not even pledging half of what you said you were going to pledge. I cannot stress this enough, but I really, 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 really hope that the courts throw the book at you, Amber. I really hope that this is the last time that we hear of you, or at least for a long time. Because if there's anyone that currently deserves to have their career ruined because of their own actions, it's you. Now, I will say, although I am being extremely critical of you in this moment, and I've been extremely critical of you, Amber, but I would give her a second chance. Like, if she came forward and showed that she can actually make changes, or has actually made changes to to who she is and her lifestyle, I would absolutely give her a second chance. I feel everyone is worthy of a second chance, and nobody is just as good as their past. But until that happens, these are my thoughts. And Amber's gonna have a lot to come back from, in my mind. All right, that's gonna do it for this little video. Bye.